Deer's beautiful shoes.
Look at the deer. Look at the shoes. The shoes are beautiful. The shoes are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Oh, the shoes are beautiful. I want the shoes. I want the beautiful shoes.
Look at the bear. Look at the shoes. The shoes are big. The shoes are big, big, big.
Oh my! You have big shoes. You have very big shoes.
You have beautiful shoes. You have very beautiful shoes.
Thank you. I love my shoes.
I want to try your shoes.
No, no, no.
Please, please. I want to try your shoes just once. Just once.
Okay, just once.
Oh, thank you, dear. Thank you so much. You are kind. You are very, very kind. I am happy. I am so happy.
Your feet are big. Your feet are too big.
Oh my. My feet are big. My feet are too big.
The shoes are small. The shoes are too small.
Shoes. Shoes. I want the beautiful shoes. My feet are big. My feet are too big. My feet are ugly. My feet are too ugly. I am sad. I am very, very sad.
The bear is crying. The bear is crying, crying, crying.
My shoes are beautiful, but my shoes are not good for walking.
My shoes are not beautiful, but I love my shoes.